welcome to this video on multiplying integers. We're going to start out by looking at the box in the center of things to remember. When you are multiplying integers, you want to remember that if they have the same signs, it's going to be a positive answer. Or if you have an even number of negatives, it's going to be a positive answer. However, if they have different signs, you're going to get a negative answer. Or if you have an odd number of negatives, you're going to have a negative answer. So I gave you the wording in two different ways. Let's jump on over to the questions under number 1 here on the left and look at those. I see that these two numbers, -5 and -3, are the same signs. So -5 times -3 is going to be positive 15. Whereas in B, there's a negative and a positive. Negative and a positive, that'd be different signs. So my answer will be negative. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, the next one, I have 3 numbers. I see I have a negative, a negative, and a negative. I have 3 negatives. 3 negatives means that I have an odd amount of negatives. Now, if you don't want to remember that, you could always do 2 of the numbers and then multiply the third. So, for example, if I multiplied -8 times -9, I would get positive 72, and then I would multiply it times -2, because that was what was left over. So this was 72 here. Now I have a positive times a negative, different signs. I'm going to get a negative answer, and I will get a 4, 144. In number B here, letter B, I have a negative and a negative, so 2 negatives, an even amount of negatives, which means I'll get a positive answer. I like to do these when I have the 10. I do the 10 last. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 10 is 180. And I know that it's a negative times a negative is a positive times a positive, because there were only 2 negatives there. So either way that you want to remember it, most of the times these are the 2 favorites. I hope that this has helped you with this worksheet and will help you to complete the rest of the worksheet. I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.